solve in any of the programming languages like C, C++, Java or Python. In this round, you will be asked questions from programming, data structures and algorithms. So basically there are 5 things that you must know to clear the online test as well as technical and HR interview. Now why communication skills is important? So the reason is very simple. Hello and welcome to the Coding Bytes. I am Abhishek Parmar, and in this video I am going to share my preparation strategy that I followed to get selected in companies like Cognizant, Capgemini, Mindtree and Mphasis. So generally there are 3 rounds in most of the companies, which are online test, technical interview and an HR interview. Now these rounds may vary from company to company, but in most of the cases you will face these 3 rounds. And if any of the company has any other round, so you will be notified through your TPO or through their website. So first of all, let's talk about these 3 rounds. So basically the online test contains the questions of aptitude, logical reasoning, verbal English, programming MCQs, and sometimes you may expect 1 or 2 programming questions that you can solve in any of the programming languages like C, C++, Java or Python. Now once you clear the online test, the next round is a technical interview, and in this round you will be asked questions from programming, data structures and algorithms and your core subjects, which I will tell later in this video. In my technical interview, the questions were like what are the principles of object-oriented programming, what is encapsulation, what is binding, etc. Now after clearing this round, you will be called for an HR interview, which is basically about yourself. So in this round, the interviewer may ask you some questions like tell me something about yourself, your strength, your weaknesses, and most importantly, why do you want to join that company. In all my HR interviews, one question was common, which is tell me something about yourself. So please prepare your answer before going for any interview. Now I hope you are familiar with the complete process. So now let's talk about the preparation strategy. So basically there are 5 things that you must know to clear the online test as well as technical and HR interview. The first thing is aptitude, which is nothing but mathematics. The second thing is logical reasoning. The third thing is verbal English, which means you must know some rules of grammar like subject-verb agreement, noun-pronoun, etc. And you should also have a good vocabulary. Now after this, you must know any of the programming languages like C, C++, Java or Python. The next thing is data structures and algorithms. And here is my suggestion, even if you are from non-CSIT background, please prepare the basics of data structures and algorithms. Now apart from these 5 concepts, there are 2 more things which you must focus on. The first thing is your communication skills. Now why communication skills is important? So the reason is very simple. If you have good communication skills, then you can put your answers effectively in interviews as well as group discussions. The second thing is your academic subjects. Now if you are from CSIT background, please prepare some of your subjects like DBMS, operating system and computer networks. And if you are a non-CSIT student, please prepare at least the basics of your core subjects. So that's it for today. If you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section below, and also comment the topic on which you want the next video. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to Coding Bytes. Thanks for watching.